I knew nothing about, hair replacement or anything like that. So I just happened to go online and read up a little bit on it and decided to call Leslie for a consultation and realized Main Image was perfect for me. Having a lady, kind of take care of you and walk you through that you're not the only one was a big deal, and it made me feel comfortable. I knew I needed a change. I needed something to help me. I feel gorgeous. I feel so pretty every day I wake up. To see myself in a different light, it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling.